Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little different than cars. I got a trailer. It's a Harbor Freight trailer. It's one of these, you can fold it in half, put it in your garage type thing. This one was given to me by my brother. I'm going to modify it a little bit and do some stuff. Let me show you what I'm going to do. So this right here is the axle. It's upside down, sitting on my table. I've kind of got it jigged up with this board and those boards, keeping a distance that I need to keep. The whole thing was at a square. But look at this tube. They put a bar here, a solid bar for the axle, but it does not exceed the edge of this guy. So this second clamp, it doesn't even do anything with it. So I'm going to install this pipe right here. This is a nice pipe, like so. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm the Duke of Speed. This is part two of three on the Harbor Freight Haulmaster trailer, which is behind me there, and it's only partially assembled there. I'm having a real problem. As you can see on the very end hanging off, those are the spring perches for the spring mounts, and let me show you what's wrong with those. So I figured out why I can't square this axle to the trailer. The spring mounts are not symmetrical. They should be symmetrical but opposite. They're opposite but not symmetrical. The holes are off. So the whole thing sits, no matter how hard you try. I'll fix this, of course. But if you don't fix it, no matter how hard you try, the axle is, no matter what, going to be up to 3/8 of an inch at a square. That's too much. So let me show you. Now these are the two pieces sitting on a glass table, so you know the table's flat. And you can see here I have a pin goes through, seems to go through mostly okay, a little tight on this end. Here I have a pin, won't even go through. Okay, won't go through. Enough to notice the difference when you try to square it with a tape measure to see where you're at. I'm gonna have to fix all this. Okay, so the distance from here to there is that, not quite a finger. Let me come over here to this guy here and this guy here. The holes are clearly not put in the right place. on these perches. The piece got spun around or some dumb shit. I don't know what happened, but either way, it's too far out. Look at this. This is what's happening here. Look in this hole. You can see. It's hard to tell, I guess. But you can't go. See, you can't see all the way through the hole. The holes are completely misaligned. Anyway, we're gonna fix that. I got it fixed now. It's square now. Right now, you're looking at everything squared.